What if I told you that you don't need to quit your job in order for you to start your virtual assistant business and make up to $5,000 a month? If you're currently stuck at your 9 to 5, dreaming of running your own part-time or full-time virtual assistant business to bring in extra income for things like travel, paying off debt, date nights, massages, anything your heart desires. You're terrified to take the leap of running your own virtual assistant business without a safety net. But here's what nobody tells you. You don't need to quit your full-time job in order for you to start a profitable VA business, and I'm gonna teach you exactly how. I'm Saba, and I help overwhelmed women turn their skills into predictable income without risking their stability. And today, I'm gonna show you exactly how you can start building your virtual assistant business on the side so you can keep your day job security while bringing in extra income. And if you want help figuring out what your most profitable skill is, take my free money-making skills quiz in the description below, and in 3 minutes, it will tell you exactly what skill you can build your virtual assistant business on. Here's what no one's telling you. You don't actually need to go all in to get started as a virtual assistant. The simplest proven way to launch your virtual assistant business is by side hustling. That means starting part-time with your current job with just a few hours a week and gradually stacking clients as you're ready. So here's the first thing that you want to do. You want to start with 1 to 2 project or low maintenance clients. You don't need a website or any fancy Instagram account. You need results that you can deliver. You want to think about email management, basic social media support, creative writing, and any tech tasks that you already know. You want to leverage the hours you already have. 2 to 3 lunch breaks a week. And I'm not telling you to skip your actual lunch, but on that lunch break, you could be doing some work. 1 night off from Netflix or Saturdays before you head out to brunch with the girls. It's more than enough for you to handle at least your first client and to show yourself that you actually can bring in extra income outside of your 9 to 5. You want to be honest about your availability. You absolutely do not need to make up a story to your clients when it comes to working a 9 to 5 and being a virtual assistant on the side. It's common. So many people are doing it. I've had hundreds of women go through my program and launch their virtual assistant business alongside their 9 to 5. So I know it can be done. You can set your expectations and your boundaries while still being professional. And that can look like, I'm only available for projects or meetings in the evenings or on the weekends. That's it. Clients value honest communication over overpromising and underdelivering. Let your progress be your progress, not pressure. As you start working with clients, you will be able to realize if you're open and able to take on an even bigger commitment by bringing on even more. Some of my students never leave their job, and that's just as valid as going full time. So tell me in the comments below, what's one skill that you already absolutely love and you're so good at it, and you even probably use it every day at work right now, that you'd love to offer as a virtual assistant service, but you don't really know how? Let me know in the comment section. One of my students in my virtual assistant program started her VA business while working full-time as a teacher. She booked her first 2 clients using her tutoring skills to help other tutors organize their student lesson on the weeknights as well. 6 months later, she had extra income and the option to either go all in or continue it part-time. And if you want to know the fastest way to start making money as a VA without quitting your job, I want you to grab my free profitable VA guide. It will walk you through the 8 steps that you need to take in order for you to start building your dream business today. And so just to recap, what do you actually need to do to start your virtual assistant business, even if you're working a 9 to 5? You don't need to go all in just to get started. You want to start with 1 to 2 project-based or low-lift clients. You want to leverage the hours that you already have. You want to be honest about your availability, and you want to let your progress be your progress. Don't steal from the things that you're working so hard at. Things will build on top of each other, and one day you'll look back and be so glad that you started. You don't have to choose stability over flexibility. You can build the VA business of your dream, but you won't be able to do that without getting started, and I want to help you do that. You can build your dream VA business the way that you want it, one action at a time. All right, I hope that was super helpful. If you are currently at a 9 to 5 and you were really thinking about starting a virtual assistant business or dabbling in the idea of what could more income look like for you, what would it mean to you if you actually were able to do something from your home with the skills that you already have to bring in extra income, what would that do for your life? So I want you to comment on this video, let me know your most profitable skill, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.